elongation, elongation and translocation and termination. For the activation part, we have one enzyme, which is the amino acid tRNA synthase. This one causes the amino acid attached to the tRNA and make the tRNA as a charged tRNA. So this enzyme will be attach all of the amino acid to all of the tRNA, okay, and make it as a charged tRNA. For example, you have to do, for example, because of this will be attached to the tRNA and make it as a charged tRNA. The tRNA with the amino acid is the charged tRNA, and without the amino acid is the uncharged tRNA. This is the activation part. The next stage is the initiation stage. For the initiation stage, the first enzyme which we found is the IF3 or the initiation factor 3 will attach to the 30S subunit of the ribosome. This will cause that these ribosomes, the 30S and 50S, will be separated. The next one is the IF1. The initiation factor 1 will be attached to the 30S and causes the mRNA strand attached to the 30S. These mRNA strands contain the Shine-Dalgarno sequence, which consists of the AGG, and the first codon or the start codon of which is the AUG, is located a few nucleotides downstream from the Shine-Dalgarno sequence, which means if you have the AGG, a few nucleotide is here, and then you have the AUG, which is the start codon. After that, the initiation factor 2, which is the IF2, will be attached to base. Before the initiation factor 2 attached to the charged tRNA, there is methionine will be attached to the initiator RNA and make the forming group. That's why we call it as the FMET or the forming methionine. Okay. After that, the IF2 initiation factor 2 will be attached to the first charged tRNA and causes these charged tRNA come in the here to find in the peptide to find the codon of its anticodon, because the tRNA is contained with anticodon. It is the UAC and the codon is the AUG. This AUG is the F-methionine, which is the amino acid. After that, the IF3 will be released. Okay, IF3 will be released. This IF3 was the enzyme that separates these two. So if it's released, they should be attached again. So after that, the IF2 and IF1 will be released also. And these charged RNA, which contain the anticodon, will be located in the P side. Okay. In the next stage, which is the start of the elongation stage, by the using of the elongation factor TU, the elongation factor TU will be bring another charged RNA and put it in the A side, and this charged RNA will be find the codon of its anticodon, which is if it has the GUA, it should be CAU. So they are complementary to each other, and the amino acid of this one is the histidine. After that, there is an enzyme on the surface of the 50S part of the ribosome. This enzyme, which is the peptidyl transferase, causes the amino acid from the P side will be moved to the A side. Okay, it will move to the A side and make these amino acids in the P side as an uncharged tRNA. Okay. After that, by using a 1-GTP, the EFG by using a 1-GTP causes the ribosome will move for one code. Okay, this is the one and this is one code. Simultaneously of the ribosome move, these two will be moved also. Because here AUG, UAC.